Vivo launched its new affordable smartphone under Y series in some selected global markets called Vivo Y19s Pro. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo Y19s Pro features a tall 6.68-inch HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate and up to 1000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Uni SoC T612 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, that can be extended up to another 6 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 1 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Vivo Y19s Pro sports a dual camera setup on the rear, that houses a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.8 aperture, along with the 0.08-megapixel VGA sensor, with f3.0 aperture. For selfies it has 5-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.2 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 44 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with FunTouch OS 15 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165.75 by 76.1 by 8.1 mm, and it weighs around 200 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y19s Pro has been priced in Bangladesh for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 15,499 Bangladeshi takas, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 16,999 Bangladeshi takas. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in diamond black, glacier blue, and pearl silver color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y19s Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.